Good morning, everyone. Welcome on board to Cat King. I hope all of you guys have been watching the channel to understand about all the exams, especially their deadlines, their paper pattern, the syllabus, and very importantly, how to fill in the application forms, right? So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any notification about the deadlines and everything for any exam, any college up ahead for your MBA preparation, right? Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the IIFT exam form filling steps. Like, how do you go about filling the form to make sure you do not make any mistakes? And one thing I would want all of you all to keep a strong check is, despite me telling multiple times, watch the video right till the end and ensure you do not make any mistakes. A lot of people have made terrible mistakes in their CAT forms and NMAT forms, and you end up have to, submitting it second time. So guys, you're wasting money. So do not make that mistake. Please make sure you watch the video right till the end. Understand that in case you do not, if you have some issues, every application form website has a help desk. They have a contact number and an email address provided. Please drop them an email, get everything verified before you make any assumptions. Okay. So let's talk about today how to fill the IIFT form. For people who don't know which is this exam, what is it for? Well, IIFT exam is for IIFT College. The main campus is Delhi campus, and it's going to be conducted this year on 5th of December, so which is 1 week right after your CAT exam. So you better start your preparation right now. It has got quite a lot of similarity with CAT. You have same 3 sections pattern like verbal, DILR, quants, but you also have a little bit of GK. So you need to make sure for IIFT preparation, you have a strong hold on your GK as well as a strong hold on aspect of verbal, which is different from CAT, because CAT verbal is essentially only RCs and parajumbles, right? But here you'll have all the things like grammar, critical reasoning, and all of those questions. So in fact, check out my video, which I've done with respect to all you need to know about the IIFT exam. Also check out the video which talks about the IIFT campus placements, batch profile, so that you have an understanding why should I even apply for this exam, and that will take care of it for you. Okay, now let's talk about the steps how to go about filling the IIFT form. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you remember the dates which is there, and the exam date, like I said, is 5th of December, right? Then we talk about how to fill the form. You have to go into the website, which is iift.nta.nic.in, right? That's the NTA is the organization which conducts the IIFT exam. So that's the website you have to go on there. Once you go to the website, this is how the page of IIFT looks like to you. It will call it as IIFT MBA IB. So this is correct, absolutely correct. There's no other option. IB stands for International Business, because anything which you study at IIFT will have a component of foreign trade as a part of it. Okay. Click on apply for IIFT MBA right at the bottom, which you see. Once you click, then you will be taken further ahead to your registration page. Okay. Now, when you are doing this, you have 4 steps to keep in mind. First, you'll have to fill the registration form. Second, you'll have to fill in their application form. Then you have to upload your photograph and signature. Then you're taken to the payment gateway, right? So until your payment is done, it's not the end of it. Ideally, you should not be giving your breaks in between. एक ही बार form fill करो, खत्म, and finish it up. ठीक है? So the first time when you are registering, you will go and click on new registration option. If you have already registered and coming back to the form, then you will go into the sign in option, which is on the right side. Okay. So let's move further ahead. Once we come into the registration page, this is how your instructions will look like. These are your 4 steps which we have to complete filling. The form filling fees details. So general category students and your general EWS and OBC non-creamy layer people, the fees is 2,500 for the registration. For students who are from SC, ST, PWD or transgender background, it's going to be 1,000 rupees. Okay, this is all the instructions. You can also, if you want, you download the information bulletin. It will give you all the details about IIFT college, exam, paper pattern and everything. Scroll down, read all the instructions, make sure you are at the end of it, clicking on that I have downloaded the information bullet, read, understood, and the instructions as well. And then you click here to proceed. Make sure you check mark or put a tick mark on the I have read the options, so that you can proceed ahead to the registration. Registration, the first part is going to be your personal details, where your name, your family name in terms of your father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, type of identification number is ideally you should put your Aadhaar card number here. If you do not have one, then you can put in your passport number, right? So you put that which is there, but put something which you possess, which you have it with you. In case if it is required at the day of exam, you have it with you, right? So enter those details. Then you put in your contact details. Please make sure you do not make any blunders here. I am surprised these days people are doing mistakes in their own name, mistakes in their own date of birth. You cannot edit your forms. Okay, once it's done, it's done. So you have to make sure your name is correct, your date of birth, your contact numbers are absolutely correct. That's your personal details information. Fill that up, and then we move further ahead to your permanent address and password. Keep a password which is easy, which you will remember, you will not forget. Remember at the beginning when we started, I had told you that make an Excel sheet or a Google sheet where you will be keeping all your application number, IDs, password for every exam available, so that it's handy for you. So make sure you keep an easy password, store it there, and keep a nice security question and answer as well, so that in case something happens, you can guess that back. Don't try to be so unique and different के चक्कर में आप भूल ही जाओ अपना password और security questions क्या रखा है, ठीक है? After all of this, you will have to enter the security pin. The security pin will keep, each one of you will get your independent security pin. See it properly, submit, enter that, and then click on submit option. Okay, this is where your entire registration process is done. After you click on to submit, you will be taken further ahead to your last review of the registration page. Make sure you verify that all your details, what you entered is coming correct. Your personal details, your contact details, your permanent address, all of this is correct. Verify it, and then you just make sure you checklist, which is there. Like, you see a nice little checklist out there to verify. So that is all you have to make sure you check it. After you're done checking it, there's a small declaration. Click on I agree. There's a tick mark to be done. Once you click on I agree, then you go to final submit. In case there is some information where you had a typo error or something, then you will click on edit registration form, because अभी submit होने के पहले आप कर सकते हो, उसके बाद में नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? If everything good, click on final submit, and then your registration is done. So then you will see this process map kind of a thing where you can see your registration form is completed. Rest all is incomplete. You have your application number. This is going to be your point of reference for every communication, your admit cards, your shortlist, your GDPR call letters, everything. So save this application number and keep for sure. Then you go on to the option which says complete the application form. Click on that. Your entire application form opens up again. Step 1, enter your personal details. Step 2 is apply for which program. So yes, you are applying for IIFT MBA IB program. That's correct. That's by default selected, and that is what you should have in there as well. Then you put in your first choice for exam cities. So this is where you can get your centers. Look at 4 closest proximity center cities for all of you guys where you would want to go and write the exam. Now we move into your academic details. This is your 10th, 12th, graduation, post-graduation details. Please make sure your pass status is correct. Your year of passing and appearing is absolutely correct, and the board university. The year of passing and appearing, where do you get it from? Everybody has your own mark sheets. Us pe likha hota hai. Pick up and choose from there itself. All right. Now, very important for graduation details. So a lot of students will have this doubt and question. You are done with your graduation, but you do not have your results with you. Okay, so that's a high possibility. When it comes to the graduation details, a lot of us have not got final results. We are done giving the exams, or we are, in the last year right now. Some exams are pending because it has been delayed due to pandemic. Whatever it is, if you do not have all your year's mark sheets with you in hand, your final results are awaited, or your final exams are awaited, in the year of passing, that will be visible, right? So you will write that you are currently appearing 2021, and your past status will show that past status will not be completed. It will be appearing right now. So make sure you put that, and that's it. That's all you need to ensure you are putting it out here. Okay. After you're entered all of these academic qualification details, we come to employment details. So here you have to show in and enter details. Are you currently employed or were you employed? So if you're, are you employed, they will, and all of this, when you, based on what you select, they will ask you to enter the current work experience details. Enter the security pin and submit it. Okay. Once you're done submitting this, you will see your entire review page. So now you're going to review all the things what you had submitted with respect to your personal details, your application cities. Please check the 4 cities, has it come correctly? Make sure you are reviewing that. Then you review your 10th, 12th graduation details. Please review your result mode, your marks obtained, and the percentage. Now here, what you have to update in your graduation space is an aggregate of all the semester marks that you have. So let's take an example. You have results of, let's say, only 3 semesters. तो 3 का aggregate डाल दो. 4 सेमेस्टर की है तो 4 का डाल दो, 5 की है तो 5 का डाल दो, जितने की अवेलेबल है. कुछ में आपका पास करके डायरेक्टली प्रमोट कर दिया था बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक, दैट्स ओके. बट जितने सेमेस्टर्स के मार्क्स हैं उतनों का एग्रीगेट करके टोटल मार्क्स, ऑब्टेन्ड मार्क्स एंड परसेंटेज, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू राइट इट एक्यूरेटली. ठीक है. Review all of that. Once you have done reviewing everything, then you come to your final page, which it talks about your professional details as well as your postgraduate details. You will verify. Checklist में देखो सारे blue tick दिख रहे हैं, मतलब हमारा check mark करके हो गया है. Checklist, I've submitted everything. Click on I agree and then click on final submit. In case if there was some mistake, कुछ change करना है, again you will click on edit application form data and update that. All right. Once you click on the final submit, you come to the last page where it shows you, sorry, not the last, the second last page. Now your registration is done. Application form is done. Now we have to move to the next step, which is to upload the documents. So when I go to upload the documents and I click on this red button out here, you will be shown 2 aspects to be uploaded. One is your photograph. Second is going to be your signature. In most college forms, you will need that to keep this handy on your laptop. एक अपने laptop में ना folder बना के रख लो जिसमें आपका photographs है, आपकी marksheets है, then हर exam का जैसे form filling हो जाएगी उसकी receipts रख लो, उसका PDF download करके रखना, admit cards रखना, all of them, so that कुछ भी life में चाहिए सब वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. Upload the documents. Then there is an option to view your uploaded document. चेक कर लेना कि सब करेक्ट अपलोड हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Enter in your security pin. After you're entering your security pin, click on submit and then everything has been submitted and uploaded. All you are left to do is now make your final payment. So when you are coming here, you will go to the option which says pay examination fee, the blue button at the bottom. Click on that. Choose your online mode of payment. Click on proceed payment and finish the application form. Once you finish the payment is when your entire application is done. All right. All the best. Bye-bye. Take care.